So let's open this up. And first things first, we have the quick installation guide. Honestly, I don't know why we still get these. We could just download them. So on the right hand side, we have all our smaller components. So we have our antenna, and we also have our SATA cables as well. And we have the second antenna as well. And here we have the M.2 screw. Next we have the I/O shield. And then finally the motherboard itself. So taking this out, so I'll just give you a brief look and we'll go through all the various parts and components on this motherboard. And just to give you a quick overview of all the features and connections on the motherboard. Now, of course, on page 2 of your installation guide, you'll be able to find the description on each of these. And then to just finish it off, we'll go through the I/O panel for the motherboard. We'll make our way from the top down. Of course, we have our 8-pin power connector. So this is for the CPU. And here we have the CPU fan header. And then here we also have a chassis fan header, or this can be used as the water pump header as well. And this is the addressable LED header. Now for the RAM slots, these are the standard 288 pins, and it's 2 DIMMs of DDR4, and it supports up to 3200 megahertz. We have our 24-pin power connector here for the motherboard. We have our USB front panel header. Now this is USB 3 and it is Gen 1. And below that we have our 4 SATA data connections just here. So next we have our USB 2.0 header on the left here, and our front panel connector header just here as well. We do have a CMOS switch. So this is a jumper that's here. And we also have a UART connector just here. So here we have our PCIe by 16 slot. And then here we have our M.2 SSD slot. Just beside that we have a speaker connector as well. I actually use these a lot, so I do recommend it. We do get another chassis fan connector just here. The CMOS battery, which is stuck to the side here with the connection leading to that. And then finally we have our HD audio just situated below that. Okay, so for the I/O section we have our HDMI port, a display port, and then we have our PS2 mouse and keyboard connection. And then just below that we have USB 3.0 ports. So moving over to the right, we have the RJ45 Ethernet jack, USB 2.0, our 2 connections for the Wi-Fi antenna. And of course we do get our audio connections just here. So we've got the line in, front speaker and microphone. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this motherboard. Do make sure you consult your installation guide. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions for myself. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.